Hi all, I'm here to share an exciting development with our valued distributors in a slightly more personal way than the normal email. Lathams are proudly impeccable standard of local manufacture of our products. Not only are the products fit for their design purpose, but inspection and comparison of competing products will show they are typically over-engineered to ensure they offer unsurpassed longevity. Throughout our 70-year manufacturing history, we have numerous customer installations where products continue to last far beyond what would be considered standard operating expectations. Traditionally, Lathams have allowed our products to stand for themselves with regard to warranty, alongside statutory warranties, of course. However, the market is changing, and after increasing requests for an extension of our warranty terms, Lathams are now proud to offer a class-leading, genuine written factory warranty of 5 years from date of shipment. There will be no change to the manufacturing procedures, nor the management practices and the way we stand behind our products. On the rare occasion that something goes wrong, we'll continue to do the right thing in support of our brand and the Latham name. Thank you for your ongoing support. We hope that this improvement will be of assistance working together in the coming months and years.